All right, so there's been a few questions about some of the multiplying polynomials questions, so I thought I would do some examples just straight from the worksheet, kind of go through them. I'm not going to quite finish all of them, but at least be able to get people started. So anyway, number 3, we're multiplying these two. We have 2x minus 7 times x plus 3. I'm going to show both the box method, and then I'll show either, you could call it distributive property or FOIL, whatever you want to call on this next one. But here I have the box method set up. I'm going to put one of my binomials on the side. Doesn't matter if that one goes on the side or the top. I'm going to put the other one on the top. Again, I could switch the order of these, but I'm going to get the same answer, so it doesn't matter. And then this box method is just about organizing your multiplication. So 2x times x, 2x times 3, x times negative 7, and negative 7 times 3. So we got all of the products here on the inside, and if we just write them all out, we can get our polynomial answer. So 2x squared plus 6x minus 7x minus 21. Final step here, you can kind of skip the step we just did if you want to go straight to this next one, but we need to combine like terms here. So that would combine to negative 1x or just negative x. And there you go. That's our answer. Right. So 2x squared minus 1x minus 21. All right. This next one, I'm going to show you either you could call it the distributive property, or you could call it FOIL, whatever method. So you would multiply 3x times 3x and 3x times negative 5. And then you would multiply 5 times 3x and 5 times negative 5. That way you're distributing both terms in this to each term over here. You're going to get the same products inside here that you would have gotten inside the box method. Anyway, 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 5, negative 15x. 5 times 3x is positive 15x. And then 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. These were conjugates, so we know that these middle terms will actually cancel each other out. Negative 15, positive 15, they just make 0. So our answer, negative 25. About 9x squared minus 25. So there we go. Cool. All right, so either one of those methods is fine. Doesn't really matter what you do. I think the part about this one, about number 5, that's confusing is x plus 6 to the 2nd power. That exponent means that I have 2 of those things multiplied together. So we could use the box method, we could use this. We could even use what's called a perfect square trinomial. We know kind of how these things multiply out when you square something like this, but I'd recommend one of these 2 methods. This one here, the only major difference here being they both have a coefficient in front of x, although I suppose that happened there too. You know, pick your favorite method. I think this method requires a little less writing. You don't even necessarily have to draw out the arrows, though they do help make sure you're multiplying the right things. Kind of get the same answer. So I'll kind of quickly do it, but I won't simplify it all the way. So we get 8x squared minus 12x minus 2x, and then plus 3. And then obviously combine your like terms and you get the final answer there. So